How would every moment of conflict with your wife change if you started appreciating the fact that there was conflict? I want you to work on your mindset on this. Next time you have a conflict with your wife, just tell her, say, I'm so glad you're bringing this up. I appreciate this so much. Instead of getting negative about it, instead of being a victim, instead of complaining about it or getting upset about it or being passive aggressive when it happens, try standing in the eye of the storm and see the silver lining and the fact that every conflict is a gateway to a new relationship. Conflict is not a bad thing. It's actually a prerequisite in order for you guys to talk about the deeper issues, start to heal that stuff and work on it. But see, when you don't have a strategy, when you can't help your wife, when you can't help her work through those deeper issues, when you take it personal, when you make it about you, then you get defensive, you get reactive, you see it as a negative thing, and then you hate that it happens. Or you just walk on eggshells and avoid all the conflict, meaning you avoid every opportunity to have deep, intimate connections and get vulnerable with the person that you love. Brother, next time you have a moment of conflict inside your marriage, get grateful for it. Learn to appreciate it. Honey, I'm so grateful that we're arguing about this because you know what it shows me? That we both care. And majority of the time, bro, I'm gonna tell you this, things that you and your wife argue over, they're things that both you and your wife care about. But maybe you're just arguing on how you believe you should handle it versus how she believes that you should handle it. But the value underneath it all, the core value, is the same. So bro, what would happen? How would your marriage change if you started appreciating the conflicts that took place instead of looking at them like a liability and something negative? Because in reality, they're an asset. The time where you should be really concerned is when you both are emotionally checked out, you don't connect, and there is no conflict, because that right there is a clear indication that there is no connection. So next time you guys have a conflict, tell your wife, I'm grateful for this. Because you know what this shows us? That we both have something that we care about. So let's determine what that is. And let me stop shying away from something that feels uncomfortable for me. Let me learn how to lean in to this conflict and lead with de-escalation, conflict resolution, and a strategy to help us work down and niche down on what the real issue is. Because we both know it's not me and it's not you. It's what's going on inside of me and what's going on inside of you. So what is it? And when you learn to lead like that in your marriage, everything changes. But the only way those things change, bro, is with your mindset first. And if you want to know more about how to do this, this is one of the critical elements that we teach inside the academy, teaching men conflict resolution strategies, real tools, real skills, de-escalation, role-playing with them to help them do what? Become phenomenal communicators, working on their mindset, their emotional intelligence, and their conflict resolution so that what? They can meet any moment with whatever that moment most requires from them. They don't shy away from conflict. They see it as a gateway to a new relationship, as a doorway to create a conversation for something that's been swept underneath the rug for way too long.